experience that you've had with the COMELEC and the Supreme Court, how can we democratize elections? Yun yung what I mean, na parang, kasi yung mga nanalo parati, yung may
Yes.
kaya,
Makilala,
Yes, I know.
mayaman.
pwesto,
Popular,
may
etc.
makinarya. It's not exactly democratic. Oh, it is democratic technically, but it's not exactly democratic in the sense that, the right people that we want to be there are there. Given your experience there, how would you want to change things?
I would want to change it by amending the Omnibus Election Code by giving the COMELEC more power to regulate, especially the social media. Nakita naman natin, right now kasi, very limited ang power ng COMELEC pagdating sa social media. Ang hirap i-regulate. Verified accounts, mga trolls, fake news spreaders, disinformation. Maganda nga sa mainstream media, you can police your own. You do not spread fake news. And I'm very thankful for that. But what about yun sa social media? So medyo wala kasing power ang COMELEC to regulate the social media technologically and more importantly legally. Now, if we empower the COMELEC to regulate the social media to really clamp down on those spreading misinformation, then yung mga katulad namin, hindi kami masasapawan. Why? Kapag ka nagpalabas ka ng maraming misinformation like fake surveys, now you are conditioning the mind of the people. Fake surveys and at the same time fake information about independent candidates na ay wala yan, nababayaran lang naman yan, o wala namang alam yan sa lipunan, pinatakbo lang yan, etc. It creates doubt in the mind of the people that we are not really capable. When in fact, some of the most capable people who could lead and make laws are independent or lesser known citizens of the country. Sabi natin, okay, sikat lang naman sa kaya sa nananalo. Pero ayoko naman kasing sabihin, kasi binibigyan natin ng platform. Because that is also their right to be in their platform. But
the right also to do budots.
Yes, they have the right to dance, to do budots, to be interviewed, etc. Pero ang hirap kasi sa isang katulad, halimbawa, isang mangingisda, isang magsasaka, isang teacher na makipagsabayan. That is why if we empower the COMELEC to regulate the social media, kasi sa mainstream you have your own ethical consideration.
KBP.
Meron kayong KBP, NPC, National Press Club. The point is, wala kasi niyan sa social media. At yung mga nagpapanggap sa social media, most often than not, sila yung maraming followers. Napakahirap i-regulate.